Hello, Cook Rangers. We're ready for our social studies lesson for this week. We've been studying early America. We've done early American food. We've done early American homes. And today we're going to be studying early American households. So we've got a story to read. We'll go through that in just a minute. You'll find a copy of it in your packet. First, let's take a look at some of the vocabulary that you're going to see in today's reading. So you'll find this printed out in your packet also. It's the core vocabulary for early American households. Okay, I'm going to go through the words and you can say them along with me. Make, sew, wear, wash, build, help, get, use, bring, take. Long, short, few, only, many, from, to, very, often, sometimes, people, clothes, women, family, dress, men, pants, tub, soap, chores, children, water, river, bucket, and bath. Okay, those are some of the words that we'll see in our reading today about early American households. All right, I'll be back. We're going to read the story together, and then you'll have time to go back and read the story on your own. Okay, I've got my story here in front of me, Chapter 5, Early American Households. I'm going to go ahead and read this story, so you could just listen right now, and then you can go back and read the story on your own. Chapter 5, Early American Households. The new Americans had to make their own clothes. They spun wool from sheep and goats to make the material. Women sewed clothes for the family. So there's a question at the bottom of the page. Every page will have a little question for you to think about as you're reading. Where did early Americans get their clothes? Next page. Women wore long dresses. Girls wore long dresses too. Men wore work shirts, vests, and breeches. Breeches were short pants. And the question at the bottom, what are breeches? We just read that. Clothes were hard to make in early America. Some people only had 2 outfits. They had one outfit for every day. They had one outfit for dressing up. And here's the question at the bottom. Why were clothes hard to make in early America? Next page. Women washed clothes for their family. There were no washers or dryers in early America. The women washed the clothes in a large tub. They made their own soap. At the bottom, name some chores women did in early America. Next page. Other people had chores too. Men made repairs on the house. They built sheds and fences. They took care of crops. They got tools and supplies. Okay, at the bottom, name some chores men did in early America. Next page. Children helped take care of farm animals. Children helped with the gardening and farming. Girls helped sew and prepare food. Boys helped hunt and repair the house. Name some chores children did in early America. There were no sinks in early America. There were no showers. There was no running water. People got water from rivers and streams. They used buckets to carry the water to their house. How did people get water in early America? Last page. People used the water to wash clothes. They used water to wash dishes. They had to bring buckets of water for everything they needed. People did not take baths very often. Sometimes they swam in a river. Sometimes they carried water to a tub for a bath. And the last question there, why did people have to carry water in buckets? All right, take some time now and read back through the story on your own. And we'll be back in just a minute and we'll have some questions on the story. All right, now that we've read our social studies chapter for this week, Early American Households, we're going to have some questions about the reading we just did. Okay, I'll go through all the questions and answer choices first, and then you can find this page in your packet and you can take your time going through the story to select the correct answers, and you can circle those on your worksheet. All right, question number 1. What is this chapter about? Households in early America, food in early America, cars in early America. Question number 2. How did people get water for their house? From the shower? From a hose? From a bucket? Question number 3. What did women sew? Clothes? Food? Or fireplace? Question number 4. What did people not take often? Their temperature? A bath? Or tests? Question number 5. What is important to know about this chapter? People liked to bathe in rivers. People had many household chores. The river was clean. Question number 6. 6 through 10 will always could have more than one correct answer. So you're going to mark all of them that are correct. Question number 6 asks, what did people use to make material for clothes? Trees, wool, or grass? Question number 7. What did women make? Glass, wagons, or soap? Question number 8. Which things did people not have in their homes? Washer, a dryer, a shower. Remember, these can have more than one correct answer. You're going to mark all of them that are correct. Number 9. Why did people in early America get water from the river? The washing machine was broken. They did not have running water. They needed water to wash things. And number 10. What did people have outfits for? Every day, dressing up, or costume parties? All right, take your time, go back through the reading, and look for the correct answers. Mark them on your worksheet. And I hope you enjoyed our social studies lesson today about early American households.